Hey there, friends. It's Timothy Curver here at Stolfus RV, and I thought I would come out real quick and just do a walk around on this 2023 Tiffin Open Road, the 36LA. This is a beautiful, very popular coach for an A-class motorhome. So let me spin this around. This one here is all these beautiful colors. This is on the Ford V8. The 7.3 liter engine, full body paint. Like I said, this is a 2023. I apologize here, it's a busy morning here on Route 202. But it has integrated cameras into the mirrors here. This also has the diamond plate. So this protects your RV from any kind of stones. I don't know if you can see that line or not in the front here for any kick up. This does have the outside entertainment here for you. This is a 50th anniversary for Tiffin. As you can see, this really nice thing about this 36LA is that there is no slide on the passenger side. So when you get to your campground, you have maximum usage of all of your patio area. There's also a very large slide there for you. So let's go inside. So when you walk in, you do have steps that go into it. Ooh, you're directly across from, this is an office / dinette area. This table actually expands, and it comes with two other chairs. As you can see here, it comes with two other chairs that are down below that you can easily put here and sit 4 people comfortably, or just have a workstation. This is the new Ford chassis with the new instrumentation here that you can see. It has AM, FM radio. This is an automatic leveling system. It has Apple Play, Android Play. Over here is all of your instrumentation. You do have a large TV between the two chairs. These chairs do spin around, become part of your living area. As we go down to the passenger side of the unit, this is our kitchen. So solid cabinetries, hard surface countertops with stainless steel sink left and right. You also have a power cord area right there, so everything is all in one area. If you wanted the counter space, this can just easily go away, and then it's all counter space. The residential refrigerator, you also have here your entertainment area, which is directly across from this real large sleeper that has an air mattress on it, and then there is your recliner. Plenty of cabinet space, as you can see also. This is your half bath. So is your corner sink, and then there's your toilet over in that area. Close this door. And back here is your main bedroom. So at the foot of your bed, you have plenty of wardrobe space, a TV, ceiling fan, this large hamper. On this side, this is a queen bed, and it is all slid out right now. As you can see there, beautiful cornices and windows. And in the very back is your full main bedroom. Washer or dryer right here in this cabinet. In the corner, you have your sink. Then you have your toilet, and Tiffin does a wonderful large shower space. So this has their collapsing doors, beautiful accoutrements with your shower area. So here's a little shot. There's your bedroom again. And here's a shot down the aisle there of all of your living space. So, hey, this unit is available. I'll give you my cell phone number. It's 610-348-3050. We can make an appointment and you can come in and look at it and tour it. This, like I said, is a 2023. It's actually quite beautiful. What I want you to do is I want you to like this video, share it, tell your friends. You never know who's looking for one. So if you're looking for one, give me a call and let's take a tour. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye now.